Hello people, welcome back to my channel, a broke channel. So I was requested can't speak today. I was requested to do or try out to look like Alexa Demi because I recreated some of her hairstyles and people were like, oh my god, you should try out her makeup. So here am I applying a lot of vitamin C serum to my dry ass face. Am I supposed to cuss now? Okay, so I'm using this Maybelline foundation which is exactly similar to my skin tone or matches my skin tone. I can't speak today. I should write scripts before filming videos or doing voiceovers. This is in the shade Golden and I'm using a teeny tiny blender to blend the foundation. You know, this was a large blender, but I don't use anything to blend the foundation. I use my hands and I didn't want to do it on camera, so I was so embarrassed that I got one of my old sponges, this blender, and then I cut it into small pieces so that I can look professional in this video. This is another Maybelline foundation, however this is 3 to 2 shades lighter to my skin tone. This is the shade Sun Beige. I use it as a concealer. I bought this foundation, but then I saw it does not go with my skin tone, but then I realized, oh, I can just use it as a concealer to highlight the required areas. Seriously, I need to have scripts, right? I can't speak. Seriously, I have no idea about makeup, but I think you are supposed to blend the concealer upwards because that's how it's shown in those TikTok videos, and I just try to follow them. I think I've learned makeup by watching TikTok videos. Well, TikTok videos, not TikTok videos, Trishmita. Okay, so now I'm using this whatever, what is this? This is a contour stick. Yes. And since I am broke, these are not high-end products. I use all the drugstore products, so I am kinda embarrassed. Am I supposed to be embarrassed? No. I think using drugstore products is a good thing. You save your money, right? Yeah, tell that to yourself. Anyways, I'll just give you the list if you are curious. Okay. I am sorry, but I'm actually using one sponge. That same sponge I used for doing my foundation, my concealer, and I'm using it as my contour blender. Nice. What the fuck? So professional. Look at my face. So professional. I'm going to use this red liquid lipstick as my blush, and I am applying blush only to I'm not bringing it down to my cheeks, but only like to the cheekbones to make my face look lifted, although it looks like a potato. I don't know if it helps, but that's how it's done in those TikTok videos. I really like easy peasy lemon squeezy methods, and I can't do a great eye makeup. So what I'm doing, I applied the contour stick that I used for contouring my face, and now I'm applying this face powder like from Faces Canada and just setting the eyeshadow with it. Oh my god, here comes the eyeliner part. The thing is, I can do the eyeliner thing, but I can't do it in front of the camera. I'm trying to say that we are not going for a Ariana Grande winged eyeliner, rather we are doing a very straight eyeliner and a very thin one. As you can see, I'm struggling so much in front of the camera. I have no idea why. Oh, I have the idea. The ring light was just adding too much stress to my eye. Keep the wing as thin as possible, don't make it too thick. Okay, I am trying to make another wing just like Maddy's and struggling pretty much in front of the camera, but yeah, that's how I do it. Very light-handedly, very like slowly. You don't have to rush it, take your time. I am sorry if you couldn't understand my eyeliner tutorial. I know I suck at it. I can't do the eyeliner thing in front of the camera. I just don't know how to do it. Okay, as you can see, I'm applying highlighter, the Maybelline Cutesy Golden Highlighter. And I'm just highlighting my cheekbones. Again, I'm very sorry you couldn't see my whole eyeliner thingy. Haha. Then comes my eyebrows. Don't laugh at me, don't you dare laugh at me, but I use the pure soap for making my brows stick to my forehead properly. Okay, I'm using the Pierce blue soap, and I don't know, this just works out for me. I just brush them out and then they stay like this for hours, and this just works for me. And I know I'm getting a lot of foam there, but yeah, I'll show you how I remove it. So once I'm done setting my brows, I take this sponge, the makeup sponge, and I just very gently, gently touch my eyebrows with it, and it just soaks up all of the foam, and yeah, and the eyebrow just stays like that. And once the eyebrows are dry, I mean the soap is dry, you can just add some eyeshadow powder and just draw your eyebrows the way you want. I don't do much, I just fill in the gaps because I can't do eyebrows. Still, I can't do eyebrows, but yeah, at least it's something. It's better to have something rather than nothing, right? And yes, that's my art painting brush, but I never used it for painting. I used it for eyebrows only. Then I'm using this Maybelline lip liner to line my lips. I don't line my lips generally, I just apply the lipstick, but for Maddy I think this was required to line your lips. Then I'm using this nude brownish pinkish lipstick. I really love this lipstick. This is a very cheap Indian lipstick. I don't think this is available for people from different countries. I think it's only available in India, what I'm trying to say. I'm so sorry if you can hear barking because it's late at night and I'm just voice overing this video because I have no work. I'm so bored, I can't sleep. Then I'm curling my non-existent eyelashes. Seriously, some of the girls out there have such beautiful long lashes, natural lashes, and I don't have any. So, and then adding mascara. I think this is a Maybelline mascara, the black bottle, right? Why do we need to memorize the names? The Maybelline mascara bottle, which is black in color, whatever. Now I'm taking my eyebrow plucker, and I have no idea, but I've seen this again in social media, TikTok, Instagram reels, but people really like to clump their not eyebrow, the eyelashes, and that is what I'm trying to do. That is what I do these days. Lastly, I am just applying my homemade DIY lip gloss. It's just oil, okay? It's just baby oil, and it's pretty much done, I think. Do I look good? I think I messed up the eyeliner today.